There is Bermuda grass. You can get this Bermuda grass and then hold the Bermuda grass and access Ganesha's energy through the Bermuda grass. You can get the Bermuda grass anywhere, and or if you have an Indian store, you can get, or now Amazon can may be able to get that too. When you, that is more important to do that. Then when you can invoke Ganesha into the Bermuda grass and then pray, and then also not only pray but communicate with Ganesha through the Bermuda grass. All that you have to do, take the Bermuda grass and then dip it into water, a glass of water, and there will be a reaction that will take place when the grass hits the water. The water is hydrogen primarily, which is life. Hydrogen is not only life, hydrogen is also God. And if you want to do research, hydrogen is God, there are a lot of articles you may want to read. So this simple ritual also would be something that you can do. And I will explain to you how this can be done.